Okay, so for our next stitch, sequence stitch, I'll be teaching you. This is the fringe. I call this fringe with our sequin leaf tape. So you attach your thread to your fabric as usual, and then you pick up your beads. You string your beads. So pick up. Let me count. So this is 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So I picked up 20 of our seed beads. This is 20, and then I'll pick up our sequin, attach our bead, our sequin, pick up another seed bead, and now I'm going to skip my this bead we put on and the sequin, and then I will go up through all the beads. Pass my needle. This is it. This is it. And then put my needle back into the fabric. Don't make it too tight. Let it be a bit loose so that it won't be too stiff. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm going to continue again. Give a little bit of space, let's say 1/4 of an inch. Bring your needle up and repeat the process. Pick up 20 beads. You can make this as long as you want or short as you want, so it's your choice. So pick up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The reason for counting this bead is so that you get an even, like it will be arranged. So if you don't count, if your beads are irregular, you can use a measuring tape and measure this first one. Then when you put on enough bead, you measure the same, let it be the same measurements, and then you remove the excess, or if it's under, you add to make it up. So but since most of the 90% of these beads are even, so that's why I'm counting it. So I've counted 20. I will pick up my leaf again and then pick up one more bead. Pick up one more bead, skip the last bead I picked up, skip my leaf, and pass my needle through all the beads till I get to the end. Mind you, you need to use a matching color of thread. I'm only using this color for visibility purposes, so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So that's it. Put your needle back in to the fabric. So this is it. So I'm going to show you a faster method of stringing your beads. I'll show you a faster method now than picking the beads up one by one. So you pour your beads in a container. This is an old ice cream container that I have. Then you tilt it to one side, carry your beads, move it in like this. Are you seeing? We've threaded some. Move it in like this. In under how many seconds we have threaded? Just take a swipe like this. So now let's count on what we have. If it's up to 20, if you go ahead. If it's less, we'll add it up. If it's more, we'll take away. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and that's it. We got a perfect 20. So you saw how I was able to do this under seconds rather than counting. So that's the fast method. Take our beads, put in the sequin, then take one more. Let me call this one bead your stopper bead. Let me put it that way. Let me call it a stopper bead. Skip the sequin, pass your needle all through till you get to the end. And that's how you continue till you get to the end of your work. Also, I forgot to mention this. If you want to make your fringes more secure, then when you pass it up through the fabric, you create a knot. Create a knot to secure the thread more. That's it. Secure your thread better, and then you continue. What we have: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 16 17 18 19 20. So I have excess 2 here. I'll take it off my thread, pick my sequin, pick one bead, go down. Fourteen, 16, 18, 20. So you knot up your thread. So you see this is our leaf fringe sequin.